to Joanne's Sweet and Savory Creations. I am getting a late start today, well tonight, because my daughter, she's at work, so I'm starting to cook a little later so the food will be a little more fresher for her. I got some chicken wings here, and I'm going to cut these chicken wings like you would do like your buffalo wings, like party wings. So I'm just gonna cut them like this. So I'm just gonna, they already been washed and everything, so I'm just gonna show you how I do my chicken wings sometimes. Sometimes I don't want to fry them whole. So I'm going to stop for a second and turn on my grease, my oil, so we can start heating up. And I'm going to show you how I do my fried corn. Now, I learned how to cook fried corn from my dad. This man probably can eat fried corn every day. And that's probably why I like it as well as I do. You get rid of this. And my hands quick wash. Okay, so like I was saying, he could probably eat fried corn every day. So now I'm just going to place my chicken in their own little space so I can season it. I'm not using nothing special today. And you know, a lot of people have their different ways of prepping their chicken to be fried or whatever. And a lot of people have their different theories. Now, sometimes I do use the egg method. Not every now and then, but I mean, if your grease is hot and your chicken is seasoned well, I don't see no reason why your chicken shouldn't come out crispy. But, you know, everybody had their own theory of, you know, of how and why your chicken will come out crispy. Excuse me, I think the key is to make sure your grease, your oil, whatever you're cooking it in, is hot. Also, make sure that you don't have any moisture, because it will, like I think like a couple of weeks ago, I don't think I don't put too much on this one. So I'm just going to dab this one some of that seasoning, because I do not want my chicken over seasoned. So I'm just going to get that up from there. I don't know how that came out like that. Give my hands another wash. So I gotta wash the seasonings out. This is a new, so I'm gonna have to make sure I don't sprinkle that much, because I don't want my chicken too salty. Let me get this up right here. Then I'm gonna flip that on the other side, this chicken on the other side. And like I was saying, if you have moisture, like say you wash your pot or skillet or whatever you're frying your chicken in, and you don't wipe it out, like the other week ago, I think I left a little in there and it caused my chicken to take longer to cook, and on top of it, it was popping. So you want to make sure that you get all the moisture out of your pots or skillets when you wash them or whatever. So I'm gonna go through with some pepper. And I'm just using seasoning salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and then this just regular seasoning salt. I use all kinds of seasoning. I really do not have a preference on everything. I use all kinds. So I will show you this. I started this before with some pork chops of mine that I did. Before I flour my chicken, I am going to put a bay leaf in there, and that gives your chicken, like I said a week ago, I think, that bay leaves are good for a lot of things. I'm gonna put 2 in. And I use them in my soups. I use them in my roast when I make roast. I use them in a lot of things. So I'm going to bring the camera over so you can see. It's not quite there yet. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. And I'm just gonna place 2 in there. Now, they will not burn. If you watch them correctly, they will not burn. They're gonna darken because as you fry your chicken and everything, of course, they're gonna get brown and darken. Don't worry, it's fine. It's not gonna make your chicken smell burnt or anything like that, and they will not burn. Okay, so I'm going to put this back over here on my stand, and I'm going to start flouring this chicken. Then I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my fried corn. Now, my dad, he used to, I think I need to add a little more flour in here as well. He used to let his corn get really dark. It's okay, but I prefer mine on the lighter side. So comment below when I upload this video on YouTube if you like yours dark or do you like yours light. Either way is good, but I really just prefer mine a little lighter. There's no wrong or right way of cooking it. So I'm just gonna flour my chicken. Get it off this board here. And I'm just gonna flour my chicken. And make sure it's evenly coated. My grandmother used to use a, and some people still do, a paper bag, brown bag. I'm gonna remove this because it's in my way. So my grandmother used to use brown paper bag when she did her chicken. I just use plastic bags. I usually keep flour in my refrigerator. So as you see, I'm just tossing the chicken around in the flour, making sure it's evenly coated. And once you place it in your skillet, make sure you shake it, the excess flour off, which I'm getting all over me. Okay, so they are coated. I'm going to bring them over here because my grease is almost there. Now I'm going to bring my camera up so you guys can see me do this corn. Okay, what you want to do, I'm just using 1 can of corn, but of course if you have a larger family, you would use 2. Okay, I'm going to drain the juice off the corn. I'm not going to keep the juice because you just want really the oil, which I already placed probably about a tablespoon of oil in my pot. So I'm going to turn it on so it can start getting hot. Then I'm going to open up this can of corn. Okay, put the camera back so you can see. Opening up the corn. So I'm going to open up the can of corn. And I'm letting the oil, like I put like a tablespoon of oil because I don't want it really greasy. I don't want a lot of oil. I just want just enough because I'm putting